In this tutorial, I will be giving an overview of creating and editing collections. A collection is a great way to showcase one or more videos with custom menus. Collections are created within projects. You can create a new project from the New button at the top, but I'll just navigate into an existing project by selecting it on our dashboard. Once you're in a project, create a collection by clicking New Collection. Enter a title and description for it. You may also change the location where the collection will be created, then click Create. This will take you into the collection editor. What you're looking at now is the main menu of your collection. This is where you will add buttons to launch videos or navigate to submenus. On the left side panel, you can add menu elements, change the styling, add music, access the collection settings, preview, and publish it. On the right side, there is a tree view of the collection's menu structure. As you add buttons and submenus, you will see them appear here, allowing you to quickly navigate to any menu or jump to a button's settings. The title of the collection is automatically added to the main menu. You are welcome to change that or remove it completely. If you remove the title, it can be added back from here. You can access the menu background settings up here in the corner. Here you can specify a solid color or upload a custom image. I'll go ahead and upload an image. To make a video accessible from the menu, you will need to add a video button. Go to Add Video Button. From here you can choose from any video in your account. You can select individual videos or all the videos within a project at once. You can also search for any videos up here. When you click OK, those videos are added to the menu as buttons. If you need to update the button titles, just click on them to edit. If you need to reorder the buttons, just click on this icon here. It changes the editor into a special mode allowing you to drag and drop the buttons in any order. Just click anywhere to exit that mode. If you need to change the video that a button references, you can do so from the button settings. You can open the settings by hovering over the button and clicking the setting icon, or the easiest way is to just click on the button from the tree view. From here you can also make a copy of the button or delete it. You can also set a start time by navigating to the point in the video you want it to start and clicking the stopwatch, or just manually type in the start time. If you want to quickly jump to the settings of another button, just click the next or previous at the bottom. You can then set the font and button highlight color from the Styles section. Upload music here and it will play in the background while the viewer navigates the menu. You can add submenus from here. Just give it a title and select a layout for the submenu. This one shows thumbnails for each video button horizontally, whereas this layout is a vertical list of buttons without thumbnails. I will go ahead and select the one with thumbnails. To navigate into the submenu, you can hover over it and click the Go To icon or select it from the side panel. Once you navigate to the submenu, you will see it has its own title and background settings, separate from the main menu. After adding a button to the horizontal thumbnail layout, you can edit the thumbnail in the button settings. Once you have finished editing your collection, you can preview it from the left side panel. This shows you how it will look when viewed by others. If everything looks good, you are ready to publish the collection and deliver it to viewers. Just follow the prompts and send it out. Well, this concludes our tutorial. If you need any further assistance, please check our Help Center.